अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णुवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. Namaste everyone. So last class we stopped with this sentence Dakshinamstu tvameva pratipatyasva avyupapadyasva adhunapi mama maitrim ityuktva tam ardharajyena mochayamasa tatah prabriti sa parthaha vijayaha jishnuhu iti cha prakhyataha. So the context here is Guru Dakshina. Drona asked for Guru Dakshina from both the Pandavas and the Kauravas. He didn't ask for any wealth or material prosperity. Instead, the Guru Dakshina was bringing the king Drupada alive and fighting a battle with him and bringing him alive. That was the Guru Dakshina that was asked by Drona to both the Kauravas and the Pandavas. The Kauravas failed in their mission, but the Pandavas, with the help of Bhima and Arjuna, they were able to bring Drupada arrested. They brought Drupada to Drona. So looking at him, whatever the previous he had, whatever the bad opinion he had about Drupada, Drona told him, you yourself can have the southern side of Panchala Desha. Accept my friendship at least now. Saying thus, he released him by taking half of his kingdom. Thereafter, the son of Partha became renowned as Vijaya or Jishnu. So with this, we stopped last class. The next one is Anantaram Yauvarajya Abhishikte Yudhishthire Tasmin Prajanam Anuragena Bhima. There is a typo here, error here. Bhimarjuna Yoho Vikramena Cha Udviknaha Duratma Duryodhanaha Tesham Vadha Vadhopayam Rahasi Mantrayitva Tadartam Pitaram Chodaya Masa Purvameva Kanika Kanikopadeshena Bahiriva Antarapi Andhi Bhutaha Saha Antaha Raja Yuvarajam Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. So here the meaning of the sentence is Anantaram, afterwards, when Yudhishthira was coronated as the crown prince, the wicked Duryodhana was afraid or agitated by the affection that the people were showing towards Yudhishthira. And Duryodhana was also afraid of the valor of Bhima and Arjuna. So what did he do? He plotted their destruction in secret and prompted their father in pursuit of the same. So the blind king was given advice by the minister by name Kanika. So the blind king, by the counsel of Kanika, was blinded both internally and externally. And he ordered Ajatashatru thus, in this way. This is the meaning of this sentence. Now, Anantaram is after this, after the Drona Drupada episode happened. After that, Anantaram, Yauvarajya Abhishikte Yudhishthire Tasmin, Yudhishthire Yauvarajya Abhishikte Sati. When Yudhishthira was crowned as was coronated as a crown prince. Yuvaraja is a prince. So Yauvaraja Abhishiktaha, Yuvarajasya idam Yauvarajyam. Yauvarajye Abhishiktaha tasmin Yauvarajya Abhishikte Yudhishthire. It qualifies Yudhishthire. When Yudhishthira was coronated as the crown prince, Tasmin Yudhishthire. Tasmin qualifies Yudhishthire. Tasmin Yudhishthire Prajanam Anuragena. So Prajanam Anuragena. Anuragaha is affection or pritihi. Tasmin Yudhishthire Prajanam Anuragena. See, by the affection of the subjects towards Yudhishthira, in Yudhishthira, Bhima Arjunayoho Vikramena cha Udvignaha Duratma Duryodhanaha. So Duryodhanaha Udvignaha Pitaram chodayamasa. So udvignaha Duryodhanaha pitaram chodayamasa. Udvignaha is very agitated, irritated. So udvignaha Duryodhanaha, Duryodhana who was agitated, pitaram chodayamasa, he prompted his father. Okay, why? What is the reason for the agitation? Why Duryodhana was agitated? When Yudhishthira was coronated as a crown prince, and immediately after that, even before Yudhishthira was a crown prince, Tasmin Yudhishthire Prajanam Anuragam Drishtva. Say, seeing the liking, seeing the affection of the people that people had towards or in Yudhishthira. And one more thing is, Bhima Arjunayoho Vikramena, by the valor, by the parakramam, by the valor of Bhima and Arjuna. See, Arjuna presented whatever he knew in front of those Prashnikaha. We saw in the previous class, no? Prashnikaha, Sabhyaha, very good, very great audience. So, Bhima Arjunayoho Vikramena cha. So, there are two reasons for Yudhishthira getting agitated. One is, not Yudhishthira, sorry. There were two reasons Duryodhana was getting agitated. Reason one is the citizens had an extraordinary affection towards Yudhishthira. They were not showing the same affection towards Duryodhana. That is one thing. Next thing is, he was always agitated or always afraid of the valor that both Bhima and Arjuna had. Because Bhima is very good in handling the mace and Arjuna was very good in archery. So, Bhima Arjunayoho Vikramena. Vikramaha is valor. Vikramena cha Udvignaha Duratma Duryodhanaha. See, this Udvignaha Duratma Duryodhanaha. So, this Udvignaha and Duratma, both these words qualify Duryodhanaha. Duratma is Dushtaha, Atma Yasyasaha. One who has a bad mindset. Okay. Udvignaha is agitated. Okay. Vadhopayam, Vadasya Upayam. Vadaha is killing. Okay. Upayam is idea. So he plotted their destruction or killing. Rahasi Mantraitva. So Rahasi is secretly. Rahasi Ekante Mantraitva. He plotted after planning for it. Tadartam Tesham Pandavanam Vadartham Pitaram Chodayamasa. So he provoked or prompted his father to pursue his idea. Okay. Then, so here we will see the word to word. Anantaram Yauvarajya Abhishikte. So Yauvarajya Abhishiktaha Tasmin Yauvarajya Abhishikte. It qualifies Yudhishthire. And Abhishiktaha is Abhi, Sich is the Dhatu, and it is Ikta Pratyam, and it is in Saptami. Yudhishthire is Saptami. Tasmin Prajanam Anuragena Bhima Arjunayoho Vikramena cha Udvignaha. Udvignaha is Beetaha. Okay. So again it is in Ikta Pratyam. Ut and Vija is the Dhatu. Baya Chalanayoho Vija. So Udvignaha, Duratma, Duryodhanaha, Tesham here qualifies Pandavanam, Vadasya Upayaha Tam Vadopayam. So plotting an idea to kill them. Rahasi again is Rahaha Rahasi Rahamsi. It is in Sakarantaha Pullingaha Saptami Ekavachanam. Mantra Itva is mantra and it is in Tva Pratyayantam. Tadartam Pandavanam Vadartham Ityartaha. Pitaram Chodayamasa. Chodayamasa is Chudd is the Dhatu, lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, meaning is Prerayamasa. Okay. Purvameva Kanika Upadeshena, Kanikopadeshena, Kanikasya Upadeshaha, Kanikopadeshaha. Tena Kanikopadeshena, Bahihi Eva Antaha Api Andi Bhutaha. So many words are here. Bahihi Eva Antaha Api Andi Bhutaha. See, everyone know that Dhritarashtra was blind from birth. Okay, so everybody knows that he is a blind person. Now what happened? He is not physically blind. Now he is mentally also blind. From inside also, he lost the thinking process. He lost to discriminate. He lost the power of discriminating between the good and the bad. When somebody loses that discriminating power, that is the Viveka Buddhi, they are considered as Andi Bhutaha. Andi Bhutaha is Anandaha, Andaha Bhutaha, Andi Bhutaha. So, Anandaha, he was blind outside, but now he is blind inside also. So previously he was blind only outside. Now, previously he was not blind from inside. So, Anandaha Purvam Idanim Andibhutaha iti karanat abhuta tadbhave chvi iti pratyayah tatra upayujyate. So, Bahiriva Antaha api Saha Raja Dhritarashtraha Andibhutaha. Tasmat Saha Andaha Raja, that blind king, Yuvaraja Yuvarajam Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. So he called Ajata Shatruhu, na Jataha Shatruhu, Yasya Saha Ajata Shatruhu. It qualifies Yudhishthira. Here it is in Ajata Shatrum, Yuvarajam Ajata Shatrum Saha Andaha Raja Adidesha. That is the main sentence. Saha Andaha Raja Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. So that blind king ordered Ajata Shatru. Who is Ajata Shatru? None other than Yudhishthira. He is also a prince. Yuvarajam Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. So what is the reason for him becoming blind inside also? Kanikopadeshena. So there was a minister by name Kanika. So Kanikasya Kutanitihi iti uchyate. So this Kanika is one of the ministers of Dhritarashtra. He was a Brahmin, well learned in the Kutaniti. Kutaniti ityukte diplomacy. So Kanika's Kutaniti is very, very popular. He was giving all bad advice to Dhritarashtra. So there are certain things he always insists. One is threaten the timid ones. Then give respect to the brave and kill them by trickery. Next is give gifts to the greedy ones. If anyone becomes your enemy, irrespective of them being your father or son or brother, guru or any friend, kill them. Then never speak insulting words about others, even when you are extremely angry. These are some Kanikasya Upadesha. Okay, these are some Kanikasya Kutanitihi. So by these nitihi, by this Upadesha, by these advice, Kanikopadeshena, Purvameva Kanikopadeshena, Bahiriva Antarbhuta Antarapi Andibhuta. So he was always like Duryodhana. Kanika was also provoking. Whenever Dhritarashtra expresses his feeling that Pandu's children are far, far better than his own children, during those times, Kanikaha Upadesham Kanikopadesha. Kanika was giving advice to Dhritarashtra. So that's the advice, Upadeshena, Bahiriva, like how physically he was disabled, physically he was a blind person, Bahiriva, Antarapi, even within his heart, Andibhutaha, Saha Andaha Raja, Yuvarajam, Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. Okay, so here Kanikasya Upadeshaha, Kanikopadeshaha, Tena Kanikopadeshena. So Bahihi Iva Antaha Api Andibhutaha. Anandaha Andaha Bhutaha iti Andibhutaha. Chvi pratyayam. Saha Andaha Raja Yuvarajam Ajata Shatrum Adidesha. Adidesha is A is the Upasarga. This is the Dhatu. Lit Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. Okay. So here Bhima Arjuna Yoho, you have the Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Arjuna Yoho Visargasya Repaha, and here Guna Sandhi Cha plus Udvignaha, Duryodhanaha Visargasya Sakaraha, Vadhopayam you have Guna Sandhi, and Kanikopadeshaha you have Guna Sandhi. Here Bahihi Iva Bahiriva Visargasya Repaha, Bahiriva Antaha you have a Savarna Dirgha, Antaha plus Api Antarapi you have a Visarga changing to Repaha, Antaha plus Api Antarapi you have an Yan Sandhi Andibhutaha. Okay, Antaha Api Andibhutaha, there also you have a Yan Sandhi. Saha Andaha Visargasya Utvam Gunaha then Purva Rupaha. Saha Ando Raja Yuvarajam Ajatashatrum Adidesha. Next is Vatsa. So he called, now Dhritarashtra called the Yuvaraja, Ajatashatru, Yudhishthira and ordered him. What did he order? Vatsa, Varanavatakyam sthanam Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam Shruyate. Tatra Adya Pashupadehe Utsavo Vartate. Tatraiva Suhrudbihi Saha Kanchit Kalam Vihritya पश्चात् इह आगच्छ इति निपुणमतिः सह युधिष्ठिरः तस्य हृदयम् अवगत्यापि गुरुप्रतिपत्त्या तथा इति अभ्युपैति स्म. So the meaning of the sentence is, he calls him, hey Vatsas, oh child, Varanavata is a place known for its attractive landscape and water. So now the Pashupati festival is happening now. So you go spend some time there with your friends and come back to Hastinapura later. So these were the words of Dhritarashtra. But this intelligent Yudhishthira, despite knowing the king's idea, agreed to his words to do so out of respect he had for the Guru. Guru is, elderly person is also called as Guru. Pita is also called as Guru. Okay. So Guru Pratipatya, Tata is agreeing. Yes. Iti abhyupaiti sma. So he agreed. So now, Vatsa Varanavatakyam sthanam Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam Shruyate. So he calls him, oh Vatsa, oh child, Varanavatakyam. So Varanavata is the name of a place. So it goes as an adjective as sthanam. Varanavata iti akya yasya tat. That which is named as Varanavatam. Okay, Akhya is named. Varanavata iti Akhya, like how we say in the very first class, we saw, no? Hastinam iti Akhya, iti Puram. Hastina iti Akhya yasya tat. It was going it was qualifying the Puram or Nagaram. Here it qualifies, it comes as an adjective for Sthanam. Sthanam is place. So Varanavata iti akya yasya tat, that is sthanam, that is a place by name Varanavata. So how the place is? Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam Shruyate. Shruyate is in passive. So it's being heard that Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam Shruyate. Jalasthalam is, so jalamcha, stalamcha, jalastale. Jalastalabhyam Ramaniyakam. What is Ramaniyakam? Ramaniyasya bhavaha. That looks very, that which manoharaha ityartaha. That which is very attractive. So Jalastalabhyam Ramaniyakam. So the place is very attractive due to its landscape and water. Okay, water bodies. So Jalasthala Ramaniyakaihi Vishishtam. Vishishtam. So it is Vishishtam is Sthitam ityartaha. So the Vishishtam sthanam, again it qualifies sthanam. So Varanavatakyam iti sthanam. Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam sthanam Shruyate. So this Varanavatam is being heard by me, by you, from several people, that this place is very beautiful due to its landscape and water bodies. Tatra ityukte Varanavate ityartaha. Tasmin Varanavate. Adya is today. Today you can take as aduna, now, anything. Pashupatehe utsavaha vartate. Pashupati is Ishvaraha, Bhagavan, Shankaraha. So Pashunam Patihi, Pashupatihi. Pashupatehe utsavaha. Utsavaha is festival. So the Pashupati festival is happening now. Vartate. Utsavo vartate. It happens now. So tatraiva suhrudbihi saha kanchit kalam vihritya paschat iha agaccha iti. So what did Dhritarashtra say? He says that you go and spend. So tatraiva ityukte tasmin varanavate eva suhrudbihi saha, along with your friends, relatives, anybody, with your brothers, suhrudbihi saha kanchit kalam, for some time. Vihritya is after spending. After spending, having spent or having sported, paschat iha agaccha. After some time, iha is Astinapuram, agaccha, you return to Hastinapura. So these were the words of Dhritarashtra. So Nipunamatihi saha Yudhishthiraha. Yudhishthira is very intelligent, very smart. So what did he say? Nipunamatihi. Matihi is a Strilinga word. So Nipuna Matihi Yasya saha Nipunamatihi. One who is very intelligent. So one who has a very smart intellect, clever intellect. Nipuna Matihi Yasya saha Nipunamatihi saha Yudhishthiraha. तस्य धृतराष्ट्रस्य हृदयम् अवगत्यापि. So knowing the hridayam is heart, knowing the mindset or knowing the idea of king. So the king wanted to send, he wants to send Yudhishthira Panduputranam Nagarat Nirgamaha Saha Aichate. So he wanted to, the desire of Dhritarashtra is, he did not want these Pandu's children to stay in Hastinapura because they, like in the previous sentence we saw, Yudhishthira had a great liking from the citizens, and Bhima and Arjuna are extremely valorous people. So Dhritarashtra did not want them to stay in Hastinapura. So knowing this, he understood what was the mindset of Dhritarashtra. Hridayam avagatyapi. Tasya here goes to Dhritarashtrasya. Rajnyaha ityartaha. Tasya Maharajasya. Hridayam avagatyapi. In spite of, despite knowing his Hridayam, his mindset, his idea, Guru Pratipatya. So he didn't counter argue. He didn't say, ask him why you want us to leave. Nothing like that. Guru Pratipattihi. Pratipattihi ityukte gauravam ityartaha. Maryada ityartaha. Gurave Gurau Pratipattihi. Guru Pratipattihi. Taya Pratipatya. So due to the Gaurava Buddhya, due to the respect he had towards Dhritarashtra, Tatha iti abhyupaiti sma. So he immediately said yes and agreed to it. Okay, so these were the word-to-word meaning. Now we will say, see, Varanavata iti akhya yasya tat, it qualifies sthanam. Jalasthala Ramaniyaka Vishishtam also qualifies sthanam. So, Jalam cha, Sthalam cha, Jalastale. Jalastalabhyam Ramaniyakam. Then what is Ramaniyakam? Ramaniyasya bhavaha. Jalasthala Ramaniyakaihi Vishishtam sthanam. Again it qualifies sthanam. Shruyate is Shru Shravane Latlagaraha Pratama Purushaha Ekavachanam Karmani. Tatra Adya, you have this Savarna Dirga Sandhi. Varanavatakyam is also Savarna Dirga. Pashupatehe Utsavaha, then Pashunam Patihi Pashupatihi. Pashupatehe Utsavaha, Visargasya Repaha, Utsavaha Vartate. So, Visarga changing to Ukaram, there Utsavaha. Tatra eva vartate is vritti vartane lattu pratama purusha ekavachanam. Tatra eva you have this vritti sandhi suhrudbihi saha kanchit kalam vihritya. Vihritya, V is the upasarga, hr harane, harati no, the same dhatu. Lyap is the pratyam. The meaning is having spent or sported. Okay. Viharam kritva ityartha. Okay. Paschat iha agacha. You have three words there. Paschat plus iha, you have this Jashtva Sandhi. Iha plus agacha, you have this Savarna Dirgha. Agacha is a, gam is the dhatu, and it is in lot lakara, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Iti. So Nipunamatihi again qualifies Yudhishthiraha. So this Nipunamatihi and Saha, both these words qualify Yudhishthiraha. Saha Yudhishthiraha, Nipunamatihi Yudhishthiraha. So Nipunamatihi is Nipunamatihi Yasya Saha Nipunamatihi. One who has a very clever or smart intellect. Tasya Dhritarashtrasya Hridayam Avagatyapi. Avagatya is Ava, Gam is the Dhatu. It is in Lyap. So here this has two forms. Avagamya is also there. Avagatya is also there. After understanding. That is the meaning. Avagatyapi. In spite of understanding the idea or the mindset of Dhritarashtra, Guru Pratipatya. So Gurau Pratipattihi. The respect he had towards his Guru. So Gurau Pratipattihi Taya Pratipatya. Due to the Gaurava Buddhihi he had Gaurava Buddhya. Gurum Prati Gaurava Buddhya. Gurau Gaurava Buddhya. Tata iti abhyupaiti sma. So Tata, okay. Tata is okay. Abhyupaiti is to agree. So Abhi is the Upasarga. Upa is also the upasarga. In gatau is the dhatu. Eti itaha yanti. That is the rupam. Latlakaraha prathama purusha ekavachanam. So here tata iti abhyupaiti, you have three sandhis. Tata plus iti, tateti, you have the gunasandhi. And iti plus abhyupaiti, you have the ensandhi. Abhyupa plus eti, you have vriddhi sandhi. So all these together. So next is तेन तुष्टः सः दुष्टः दार्धराष्ट्रः कञ्चित् पुरुषं रहसि ससान्त्वम् इदम् अभाषत सखे पुरोचन यथा बहवः भ्रमराः संहत्य एकं क्षौद्रपटलं निर्वर्तयन्ति यथा कालम् अनुभवन्ति च तत् राजस्तु नाममात्रेण विशिष्टः एवं प्रणिधानचतुरैः बहुभिः प्रणिधिभिः तन्त्रितं हि राज्यम्. So now, say after when Yudhishthira agreed to the words of Dhritarashtra, that means he was ready to leave Hastinapura, he was ready to go and stay in Varanavatam along with his brothers and mother. तेन तुष्टः तेन युधिष्ठिरेण तुष्टः or तेन युधिष्ठिरस्य वचनेन तुष्टः by the agreement, because he agreed, so because of which Duryodhana was very happy. So the wicked Duryodhana, pleased with the decision of Yudhishthira, what did he do? He coaxingly spoke to a person in private. Okay, oh friend, what was his words? Oh friend Purochana, how a swarm or group of bees join together and create one beehive and enjoy the same at the proper season. These bee, this swarm of bees, they have a leader only for the namesake. Here, Namamatrena, Tadrajastu, Namamatrena Vishishtaha, we don't have bee king, we have only the bee queen. So we Rajaha Ityukte, we will take it as a leader. They have a leader for namesake. In the same way, kingdom is administered by number of diplomats who are clever at or who are clever in discussion or thinking about something in detail. So that is how. So it is the king doesn't manage everything. It is only the people around him. There are many diplomats who surround him, manage everything. Like he gives a comparison with the Brahmaraha. How the bee, the leader bee doesn't do any work. It sits and enjoys the pleasure. That's it. Namamatrena vishishtaha tad rajaha. Okay. But Brahmaraha, Bhavaha Brahmaraha, all these swarm or the colony of bees, they all join together and create one beehive and enjoy the result at the proper time, proper season. This is the meaning of this sentence. Tena tushtaha. So, tena Yudhishthirena tushtaha, or pleased by the decision taken by Yudhishthira. Tena tushtaha saha dushtaha Dhritarashtraha. So tushtaha saha dushtaha, these three words qualify Dhartarashtraha. Dhritarashtrasya apatyam puman Dhartarashtraha, that is Duryodhana. So Duryodhana was extremely happy by the decision of Yudhishthira. What is the adjective for Dhartarashtraha? That is Duryodhana. Dushtaha. Dushtaha ityukte wicked, kalaha. So Dushtaha, Dhritarashtraha, what did he do? Kanchit purusham rahasi sasantvam idam avashata. So he called some person, unnamed. Okay, initially unnamed, then we will know who he is. Kanchit purusham rahasi. Rahasi ityukte in private. Ekante ityartaha. Sasantvam is coaxingly. Santvena sahitam saha sasantvam. Very pleasingly. Coaxingly in the sense, by uttering such word by which the person will agree to whatever he says. So santvam idam abhashata, spoke this. What did he speak? Sakhe purochana yata bahavaha brahmaraha samhatya ekam kshaudra-patalam nirvartayanti. Sakhe is friend. Hey Saka, hey Sakhe, oh friend, purochana yata bahavaha brahmaraha samhatya. Samhatya is joined. Like how many bees, the swarm of bees join together. Ekam kshaudra honeycomb. Kshaudra is honeycomb. So kshaudram ityukte madhu ityartah. Okay. Patalam ityukte cover, veil. Pitakaha ityartah. So kshaudra patalam ityukte honeycomb. It's full, that beehive. So kshaudra patalam nirvartayanti, they create. So many bees together, they join together and create one beehive. Okay. And yata kalam anubhavanti, and uchita kale kalam anatikramya, they don't exceed that particular time. When the uchita kalam comes, when the appropriate, when the proper season comes, anubhavanti, they use it, they experience the taste of the madhu. Tat rajastu namamatreena vishishtaha. Tat rajaha, it is in samastapadam here. Tesham raja tat rajaha. Okay. Tesham brahmaranam rajaha. Rajaha ityuk brahmaranam raja. So raja ityukte leader ityartah. So tat rajaha tu tesham brahmaranam raja tu namamatrena vishishtaha. For the sake of being a leader, he is a leader. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't act according to the need of the brahmaraha. Only the brahmara, all the bees go and hunt for, they bring the madhu, the honey, and accumulate everything in a beehive. When the proper time comes, they enjoy it. So, evameva, in the same way, he compares this brahmaraha with the diplomats in the country, and Raja and the Tesham leader, Nayakaha, Brahmaranam Raja. He compares the Brahmaranam Raja with Dhritarashtra. Okay, so evam pranidana chaturaihi bahubihi pranidhibihi tantritam hi rajyam. Rajyam is kingdom. So how a kingdom can be handled? It is only handled by tantritam, is governed. Okay, Rajyam is kingdom administered by number of diplomats. Diplomats is pranidhibihi. What is the adjective for pranidhibihi? Pranidana chaturaihi. So who are chaturaha is clever, smart, intelligent. Who are clever at clever in pranidhanam. Pranidhanam is prayatnam ityartha. One who are an expert in discussion or thinking about something in detail. Okay, they are called as pranidhana chaturaha. So pranidhanam is ityukte effort, prayatnam ityartha. So these people, these diplomats, they make an effort to bring everything into practice, everything to practice. So evam pranidhana chaturaihi bahubihi pranidhibihi idam rajyam tantritam. Tantritam is governed. It's been managed. So it's been the Rajyam, the kingdom is managed by many such experts. This is what he says. Okay, this is the meaning. Now, so pranidane chaturaha taihi pranidana chaturaihi, it goes as an adjective for pranidhibihi. So tena tushtaha is an ikta pratyam. Tushu Pritau Ikta Pratyaha. Dushtaha is also an Ikta Pratyaha. Both these words qualify Dhartarashtraha. Dhritarashtrasya apatyam puman Dhartarashtraha. Kanchit Purusham Rahasi Saptami. Sasantvam is Santvena Saha Sasantvam. Idam Abhashata. Abhashata is Bhash. Langlakaraha. Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Then Sakhe Purusha Purochana. Yata Bahavaha, here Visarga is changed to Ka Utvam. Brahmaraha Samhatya Ekam. Samhatya is Sam. Han is the Dhatu. Sam is the Upasarga. And it is in Lyap. Samhatya plus Ekam. Samhatya Ekam is in Vritti Sandhi. Kshaudra Patalam. Kshaudram is Madhu. Okay. Kshaudram is Madhu. So, Kshaudranam Patalam. Patalam is the cover or the veil. Okay. So, Kshaudranam Patanam Pitakaha ityartaha. You can take it as a box or a petika type. It's covered with full of honey. So, Kshaudranam Patalam Nirvartayanti. Nirvartayanti is, the meaning is create. Okay. Nir is a upasarga, Vart is a dhatu, Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Bahuvachana. Okay. Yata kalam anubhavanti. Kalam anatikramya yata kalam. Anubhavanti is, Anu is the upasarga, Bhudhatu, Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Bahuvachana. Tat rajastu. Tat rajaha here goes to, it is in a samastapadam, that's why rajaha. Otherwise the word is raja. So tesham raja tat rajaha. Tesham is, here is Brahmaranam Raja, Brahmara Raja. Tad Rajastu Nama Matrena, Nama Swikaranena Eva Raja. He doesn't do anything else. Vishishtaha. Vishishtaha is Vishish Yuktaha ityartha. Okay. It is also Nikta Pratyam. Evam, in the same way, प्रणिदान चतुरैः बहुभिः प्रणिधिभिः तन्त्रितं हि राज्यम् प्रणिदान चतुरैः विसर्गस्य रेपः बहुभिः प्रणिधिभिः these two प्रणिदान चतुरैः बहुभिः these two words qualify pranidhibihi pranidhibihi is the advisor who can make such decision representative ityartha so pranidhibihi how are they pranidhana chaturaihi who are expert in discussing things about everything in detail so pranidhana chaturaihi bahubihi pranidhibihi tantritam hi rajyam tantritam ityukte governed ityartha okay tantra ittarvatyam tantritam goes as an qualifies rajyam rajyam tantritam kaihi tantritam pranidhibihi tantritam ते ताः प्रणिदयः कथं कथमासन् प्रणिदान चतुरैः बहुभिः प्रणिधिभिः प्रणिधिभिः इट इज an इकारान्त like हरिशब्द ओके प्रणिधिः प्रणिधी प्रणिदयः इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तृतीया विभक्तिः बहुवचनं चारपुरुषः इत्यर्थः ओके सो नेक्स्ट राज्ञस्तु परिच्छदः एव विशेषः तस्मात् मम यत् वसु तद्भवतामेव इति तु पुनरुक्तिः इयम् किन्तु सपत्नसङ्कुलम् इदं मशकाक्रान्तं शयनमिव न मां सुखयति अतः निस्सरणे भवता सहायेन भाव्यम् ओके भवता सहायेन भाव्यम् इत्युक्त्वा कर्तव्यं च उपदिश्य स बहुमानं विससर्ज so now the speech of Duryodhana is still continuing. He is addressing Virochana even now. So he says, what did he say? He said, like the Brahmaraha, there are diplomats in the country who will handle, who will govern all the things that is related to the kingdom. Then what is see there nama matrena tad rajastu nama matrena vishishtaha ityuktaha. Here what radyastu parichadaha eva visheshaha. So here the meaning of the sentence here is, and the king has his own paraphernalia to distinguish himself. So he has his parivaraha. Parichadaha is parivaraha. King has certain things to be attended to. No, he has so many people to attend. So parichadaha ityukte paraphernalia or parivaraha. Ragyastu parichadaha eva visheshaha. Vishesho nama bedaha. How that king distinguishes himself from others. He is with all these, he enjoys all these extra things. But he doesn't do anything. Tasmat. So I need not repeat or explicitly say that all the wealth belongs to me is all yours as well. Duryodhana tells this to Virochana. But the kingdom infested by enemies does not fetch me or does not give me gives me happiness like a bed infested by mosquitoes. So drive them out. So he calls Pandava as Mashakaha. He calls them as his own enemies who are like Mashakaha. So drive them out. You should be of help to me. Saying this, Duryodhana instructed Virochana what all to do and waved or bade him goodbye with compliments. This is the meaning of the sentence. So Radhyastu Parichadaha eva visheshaha. So in what way the king distinguishes himself from these people? Parichadaha, parivaraha. The king has his own paraphernalia to distinguish himself. Okay. Tasmat mama yadvasu tad bhavatameva iti tu punaruktihi iyam. Tasmat karanat. So I cannot get any help from the king. I have to work on my own. Because I am like bee. So I have to collect everything to enjoy the honey one day. In the same way, I have to get the work done by people who are under me. Tasmat karanat. Mama yet vasu, vasudharati iti vasundhara. So yet vasu, whatever the wealth I have, tad bhavatameva iti. That everything belongs to you. iti tu punaruktihi. I need not say this. See, I need not repeat or I need not explicitly say, because whatever belongs to me, it belongs to you. Because now Duryodhana, his main motive is to get rid of these Pandavas. For that, whatever he wants to say, he will say. Now he tells Virochana that whatever the wealth that belongs to Duryodhana, it belongs to Virochana also. He can also enjoy the wealth. To get the work done, he pleases. We said no, coaxingly. Sasantvam avashata. Santvena saha. No. So coaxingly he was asking Virochana. So in that way, in that manner, he says, Tasmati karanat. Kasmat karanat. I have to work like a bee and I have to get the work done by people who are under me. Tasmat karanat. Mama is whatever belongs to me. Mama yet vasu. Whatever the wealth that belongs to me, that bhavatameva, it also belongs to you. Iti tu punaruktihi yam. Punaruktihi is a repetition, repeating. Okay. So yam punaruktihi. This is a repetition. I need not say. In the sense, it is not repetition. Here it says it is understood. I need not explicitly express, openly express that whatever belongs to me belongs to you. It is understood because we are so close. Okay. Kintu, but Sapatna Sankulamidam Mashakakrantam Shayanamiva Namam Sukhayati. But this kingdom, no, how is it? Sapatna Sankulam. Sapatnaha ityukte enemies. Okay. Sapatnaihi Sankulam. So I've written it as Sankilam, it is Sankulam. Okay. Sapatnaihi Sankulam. So Sapatnaihi Sankulam ityukte, that which is infested by the enemies, where you can see all my enemies exist. So sapatna sankulam ityukte filled ityartah. Sapatnaihi sankulam, the kingdom is filled with enemies. And how is it, what, how does he compare the Pandavas with whom, with what he compares? Mashaka Krantam Shayanamiva. How the Shayanam is bed. Mashaka Krantam. Mashakaha is mosquitoes. Mashakaihi Akrantam Shayanamiva. This Mashakakrantam qualifies Shayanam. So the Shayanam is like, the bed is like full of mosquitoes, filled with mosquitoes. How can one sleep? We everybody know we might have endured the pain of mosquito bite. So here Duryodhana compares the Sapatna Sankulam. He compares the clan of Pandu with Mashakaha. That much hatred he had towards them. So Mashakakrantam Shayanamiva. So Mashakaihi Akrantam, the bed that is filled with, that is attacked or infested by mosquitoes. It was like that. The kingdom here is the Shayanam. And Sapatna Sankulam is Mashakakrantam. So the enemies, the kingdom is filled with enemies, my bed is filled with mosquitoes. So I'm enduring. It is like the kingdom is filled with enemies is like my bed is filled with mosquitoes. Literally, his bed is not filled with mosquitoes. He's just comparing. Okay, tadi iva. It is upamalankaram. Namam sukhayati. It doesn't give me any pleasure. I have to be the monopoly, sole leader. I cannot share my kingdom with such mashakaha. So what should you do? Ataha asmat karanat. They are like Mashakakranta Shayanamiva Sapatna Sankulam idam rajyam. Tasmat tvaya kim kartavyam. Ataha Tannirasane, Nissarane, Tesham Nissarane, to send them out. Nissarane is exit. Okay. Bhavata Sahayena Bhavyam. Avashyam Bhavyam ityukte Avashyam Bhavitavyam ityartaha. So who can help? You only can help. Bhavata Sahayena. Sahayena ityukte Sahaya Rupena. Sahaya Bhutena Bhavata. Sahayena goes as an adjective for Bhavata. Bhavata Sahayena Bhavita Bhavyam is Avashyam Bhavitavyam ityuktva. After saying this, Kartavyam cha upadishya, and he also tells the plan, how to execute, what all he needs to do. Cha upadishya is after telling him, after advising him, sa bahumanam, with lot of presents or compliments, visasarja, he sent him out. Okay, so now Rajnyaha tu visargasya sakaraha parichadaha, you understand this word as parivaraha or paraphernalia. Eva visheshaha. Visheshaha is bedaha. Tasmat plus mama tasmannaha, you have this Anunasika Santi. Yat vasu, you have jashtvam. tat bhavatam jashtvam eva plus iti eveti. You have gunam. Tu punaruktihi iyam is visarga changing to repa. किन्तु सपत्न संकुलमिदं सपत्नैः सपत्नाः इत्युक्ते शत्रवः इत्यर्थः सपत्नैः संकुलं सपत्न संकुलम् इदं मशकाक्रान्तं मशकैः आक्रान्तं you have savarna dirgha shayanam iva namam sukhayati is sukha latlakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. It falls under the churadigara, like how chorayati and all comes from same form sukhayati. Ataha tan nissarane ataha asmat karanat tat nissarane. Again you have anunasika sandhi. Tesham nissarane tesham pandavanam or mashakanam nissarane to nirgamaha ityartha. Nissaranam ityukte nirgamaha, exit, to make them leave this kingdom. Bhavata sahayena bhavyam. Bhavyam is bhu is a dhatu, yatu pratyayam, avashyam bhavitavyam ityartaha. Iti uktva. We have yansandhi. Kartavyam cha upadishya. Gunasandhi. Upadishya is cha upa plus dish. Upa is the upasarga, dish is the dhatu. It is in lyap. Sa bahumanam. Bahumanena sahitam sa bahumanam. With compliments, with presents. Visasarja, he sent him out. Sirj, sirjati is to create. V is the upasarga there. It is in litlakara, prathama purusha, ekavachanam. So Visasarja means he visarjanam is all yeah. Jala visarjanam, leaving something in the water. So Visasarja is sending somebody out. Okay, sent him ityartha. Next. Sacha kalaha tatheti varanavatam gatva yatavat sarvam anushtaya Pandava agamanam pratipalayati sma. Yudhishthirastu tatha iti atmana shashtaha pratishthamanaha sukshmagnena kshatra. Here also, 1 minute. 1 minute. Here I just have to correct. Here, this kshatra should be like this. Okay. Sorry. Yudhishthirastu tatha iti atmana shashtaha pratishthamanaha sukshmagnena kshatra mahatyam janatayam mlecha bhashaya bodhitaha. Okay. Mlecha bhashaya we need not join these words. 1 minute. Okay. Mlecha bhashaya bodhitaha tam artam badham ityuktva gachan vivikte matre vyachachaksha. So meaning of the sentence is kalaha ityukte dushtaha ityartaha. That dushta sacha kalaha. Here this kalaha qualifies that virojana. Okay. Saha is also virojana. Saha virojanaha kalaha is a rogue. Agreed and went to Varanavata, did everything as instructed by Duryodhana and awaited the arrival of Pandavas. Then Yudhishthira accordingly, starting with the other 5, which includes their mother. Okay. So 6 people including his own self. Okay. Shashtaha, tata iti atmana shashtaha. So including him, there were 6 people. Pancha Pandavaha, Tesha Mata Kunti. Okay. So 6 people including himself. Okay. He was apprised of the plot by Vidura of extreme intelligence in the presence of a big crowd of men in the Mlecha Bhasha. Barbarian language, they say. Mlecha Bhasha, Nicha Bhasha ityartaha. Yudhishthira understood and said yes. And going further, explained everything to his mother in private. This is the meaning of this sentence. Sacha kalaha, saha virochanaha, kalaha, he was a rogue. He was dushtaha. Tatha iti, he agreed. Okay, tatha iti uktva, Duryodhanam uktva, Varanamatam gatva, he went to the place called Varanavata, yatavati sarvam anushtaya. So, he followed whatever was being told by Duryodhana. Anushtaya, having executed ityartha. Okay, so anu is the upasarga, stha is the dhatu, it is in lyap lakara, lyap pratyaya. So sarvam anushtaya, sarvam yatavat, whatever was being instructed to him by Duryodhana, sarvam anushtaya, having executed everything, Pandava Agamanam, Pandavanam Agamanam. They were waiting for the arrival of Pandavanam Agaram, arrival of Pandavas. Pradipalayati is await. Palayati, Pala is a dhatu, Prati is the upasarga, Lat Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, Sma denotes the past tense. So he awaited, he was waiting for the arrival of the Pandavas. So Virojana, after executing the plan of Duryodhana, was awaiting the arrival of Pandavas. Then, so here Kalaha, Visargasya Sakaraha, Tatha plus iti, Tateti, you have this Gunasandhi. Yatavati, Sarvam, Anushtaya, I said Anu, Sta, and Lyap. Pandava Agamanam, Pandavanam Agamanam, you have the Savarna Dirga there. Pratipalayati is Pratipala and Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Sma denotes the past tense. Okay, then Yudhishthirastu Tatha iti Atmana Shashtaha. So Yudhishthira, Tatha is agreeing so. Atmana Shashtaha, including his own self, there were 6 people. Okay, Atmana Shashtaha ityukte, including his own self, Shashtaha Pratishtamanaha is departing. So along, including his own self, 6 people departed. So Pratishtamanaha Yudhishthiraha. Atmana Shashtaha Yudhishthiraha Sukshmajnena Kshatra. Sukshmajnaha is Sukshmam Janati iti Sukshmajnaha. Tena Sukshmajnena Kshatra. See, this word Kshatra, no, it means Dasi Putraha iti ekaha arthaha. If you see the Saptakalpadruma, or not Saptakalpadruma, if you see the dictionary, in the list of Puranam or Mahabharatam, they had for the word kshatru, it is like pitru. Okay, it's a rikaranta pullingaha. Okay, it comes as kshatta, kshattaro, kshattaraha, kshattaram, kshattaro, kshatrun. Kshatra is the tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. So for this there are several meanings. One is saratihi, charioteer. Okay, another one is viduraha. Vidura is called as because he is a dasi putraha. Correct. So here we can interpret this word as unless and until we see the original text, Sukshmajnena Kshatra. So he was informed by the clever, intelligent Vidura or a clever, smart charioteer. Where did he inform Yudhishthira? Mahatyam Janatayam. There is a huge crowd. Mahati Janata, Mahatyam Janatayam. It is in Saptami. Okay, so Mahati Janata, Mahatyam Janatayam. In a crowded, huge crowd, Mlecha Bhashaya Yudhishthiraha Bodhitaha. So this Bodhitaha qualifies Yudhishthiraha. Mlecha Bhashaya. Mlecha Bhasha is barbarian language. Something which is not known for many people. The Pulam Pesra, Kana, Pana, and the Madri, there are some in the language which only certain people can understand. So Mlecham ityukte Nicha Bhasha ityartaha, which is not prevailing among many people. So Mlecha Bhashaya, by that Nicha Bhasha or the barbarian language, Saha Yudhishthiraha Kshatra Sukshmajnena Kshatra Bodhitaha. That is the main sentence. Sukshmajnena Kshatra Yudhishthiraha Bodhitaha. By the smart charioteer or Vidura, Yudhishthira was informed. Bodhitaha is informed. Avagamanam ityartaha. Mlecha Bhashaya. By what type of language? Mlecha Bhasha. By the barbarian language. Okay. Bodhitaha. Tam artham badham ityuktava. So after understanding the words, after understanding whatever that person said, badham is enough. Ityuktava, saying this, gachan. Gachan is, it's not literally going here. In the flow, we say, no. In a flow, he said. In a flow, he went. In the same way, Gachan is used here as it is Gamma and it is in Shatru Pratyam, it qualifies Yudhishthiraha only. But the meaning, how I have to say is Gachan Vivikte and going further. That is the meaning here. Going further, Vivikte Pradeshe, Janarahite, Ekante, pradeshe, in a lonely place, matre is mata. Mata mataravu mataraha. Matre is the chaturthi vibhakti. Matre to his mother, vyacha chakshe. He explained everything. Chakshin Vyaktaya. Okay, so here Yudhishthiraha. So I will just repeat the sentence again. Yudhishthiraha tu tata iti atmana shashtaha. He agreed. Along with him, there were 6 in number. Pratishtamanaha. Pratishtamanaha is having departing. So here Yudhishthiraha, Visarga changing to Sakara. Tata iti atmana, tata plus iti, tateti gunasandhi, iti plus atmana, ityatmana yanzandhi, atmana shashtaha yudhishthiraha. This shashtaha qualifies yudhishthiraha. Pratishtamanaha yudhishthiraha. Atmana shashtaha pratishtamanaha yudhishthiraha. So pratishtamanaha, prati, sta, and it is in shanach pratyaya. Sukshmadnyena qualifies kshatra. Kshatra is kshatru. Pitru, like that, it is in Rikaranta, Pullinga, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Sukshmam Janati iti Sukshmadnyaha, Tena Sukshmadnyena Kshatra, it qualifies Kshatra, Mahatyam Janatayam, in a huge crowd, Mahati Janata, Mahatyam Janatayam, Mlecha Bhashaya, in a barbarian language, Saha Yudhishthiraha, Kshatra Bodhitaha Asit. Okay. Tam artham badam ityuktva. Understanding what is the crux of his enna vishayam. He understood everything. He said badam is enough. Ityuktva. Gachan, in a flow. And going further. Ityartha. Gam, and it is in Shatru Pratyam. Okay. Iti plus uktva. Ityuktva, it is in yan. Yan sandhi. Vivikte. Vivikte is janarahite ityartha. Vi is the upasarga, which it is in, which is the dhatu ikta pratyam. In a lonely place, matre to his mother, vyacha chakshe. So vi, a, and chakshin is the dhatu, latlakara, pratama purusha, ekavachanam. He said this. He says this. Okay. So here, then what did he say? Amba tatra युष्मते वासग्रहं गृहं शत्रुप्रयुक्तेन पुरुषेण दक्ष्यते तदर्थं वर्त्मान्तरं विगत्स्व मृगया व्याजेन बाहीकान् प्रदेशान् च नित्यं परिचिनु दाहकाले तेन पथा निष्क्रम्य पलायस्व इति विदुरेण उक्तम् इति वदन्नेव वारणावतं गतवान्. So now he called his mother to a lonely place. Ekante mataram ahuya tam prati etad vachanam uktavan avadat saha Yudhishthiraha. What did he say? Mother, Vidura said these words to me. What was the summary of Vidura's speech? Your bedchamber is going to be burnt by a person engaged by your enemy. So provide it with a different access. Don't go by one way and come by one way. Give so many access to the same place. Acquaint yourself constantly with the outlying sites under the pretext of hunting. Mrigaya vyajena. In the pretext of hunting, you keep yourself most of the time spent outside. Okay. At the time of burning, escape through the other path and run away. So saying, Yudhishthira reached Varanavata. This is the meaning of the sentence. Amba is ho mother. Tatra Yushmat. So now he starts narrating the message of Yudhishthira, Vidura. Tatra Yushmat Vasagraham. Yushmat Vasagraham is Yushmakam Vasagraham. Vasagraham is Vasaya Graham, the place where you stay. Okay. So, place to live. Place to stay. So that is Vasaya Griham, Vasagriham, Yushmakam Vasagriham. Your place to stay, Vasagriham, Shatru Prayuktena Purushena Dakshyate. So Shatruna Prayuktaha, Shatru Prayuktaha. Tena Shatru Prayuktena. So Purushena is a person. What is the adjective for that Purushena? Shatru Prayuktena. A person who was engaged by your enemy. Tena tava vasagraham dakshyate. So your vasagraham, your stay, your bedroom is going to be burnt by such a person. Okay. So dakshyate is dah, it is in karmani, latlakara, pratama purusha, ekavachanam, dakshyate. Okay. Tadartam. तस्मात् तस्मादर्थं तस्मात् कारणात् भवतः युष्माकं वासगृहं शत्रुणा शत्रुप्रयुक्तेन पुरुषेण दक्ष्यते इति कारणात् इत्यर्थः तदर्थं वर्त्मान्तरम् इस् अन्यद् वर्त्मा वर्त्मा इस् passage way vidatsva so you find out another way okay so we vidatsva is we upasarga dha is a dhatu kartari it is in lot lakara madhyama purusha ekavachanam atmanepadam okay then mrigaya vyajena bahikane pradeshane cha nityam parichino see if you see the dictionary no for the word bahikaha it says Punjab okay so but bahikaha ityukte deshavedaha ityartha change of place ityartha okay mrigaya vyajena so having the thought of what to say having the pretext of vyajaha is pretext vyajam ஒரு வியாஜத்தலால பண்றோம்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா under the pretext of hunting mrigaya is hunting vyajaha is pretext mrigaya vyajena bahikane pradeshane ityukte bahikah bahihi iti swikaraniyam so generally bahikah means deshabedah ityartha change of place so bahikane pradeshane you keep changing your place so bahikane pradeshane cha nityam parichinu nityam is always parichinu is acquaint okay so chi is a chi chayane pari is the upasarga chi chayane is the dhatu kartari and it is lot lakara madhyama purusha ekavachanam then dahakale tena pata dahakale is dahasya kalaha tasmin dahakale so during the time of when somebody burning when at the time of burning dahasya kalaha tasmin dahakale tena pata by that marga tena margena ityartha pata again is patin nakaranta pullinga it is in tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam okay pantaha pantanu pantanah so pata patibhyam patibhi so by tena pata nishkramya is departing from so nis is the upasarga kram is the dhatu yat is the pratyam so nishkramya departing from palayasva so you palayasva you escape okay you move out you escape yourself from that place so this palayasva no here the dhatu here is I gatau okay para is the upasarga okay and it is in kartari lot atmanepadam madhyama purusha ekavachanam there is a sutram called upasargasya ayatau by this sutram when see this sutram says for lakara is substituted for repaha of a preposition when ayate follows so here aya is the dhatu the upasarga is para so when para when a upasarga that ends with repaha and it is followed by ayate aya then in the place of the repa la is lakaraha is substituted though see it is not par plus ayate para plus ayate after the repa there is a swara varna in spite of that this sutra applies there okay so para plus ayate that rakara para is an upasarga which is followed by ayate so in the place of repaha lakara is added so palayate palayanam we get those forms no same palayasva okay for further you can check the sutram upasargasya ayatau they have given a detailed explanation in ashtadhyayi.com so palayasva iti vidurena uttam so vidurena these were said by vidura uttam is bru ikta pratyam iti vadanna eva vada is shatru pratyam vada with shatru pratyam vadanneva saha yudhishthiraha varanavatam gatavan he gatavan tavatu pratyam he went to varanavatam so this is the I think I covered all the while telling the word to word meaning only I covered all the lakara whatever the dhatu here you have pradeshan plus cha you have that sattva sandhi after that you have chutvam so pradeshamscha and here vadanna plus eva you have vadanneva you have ngamudagama sandhi that's it Other than that, not this thing. Okay. Shall we stop with this? Any questions? Purochana or Virochana? I have to check the original. This text says only Purochana. Okay. Anybody with questions? R. Jairam sir. Please, Madan.
Yeah, I've got two questions, madam. Chakshe iti padam uttama vartade, okay? Chakshe.
Chakshe. Chakshe. Yeah. Yeah.
அது உத்தம புருஷத்துல தானே வருது.
இல்ல பிரதம புருஷம் தானே அது. ஆச்ச சக்ஷே. ஆமா. One more question.
அபிச்ச சுகயதி அது
Sukhayati is like chorayati. It is a churur type, no? Sukhayati.
No, in this sentence it is the nijandam.
Nicha நீங்க சொல்லிக்கலாம். But Rupam is Sukhayati. When you check, no? Nijantam is also Sukhayati, I think.
Yeah, but in this sentence, in that sentence, was it used in Nijandartha?
Yeah, niche. Rajyam mamana Sukhayati. Yes.
And also churu dhatu become chorayati.
Yeah.
Why sukha?
Sir, you have to check the ashta. Yeah, sir. It is not become Sokayati. It is Sukhayati only. You check you go and click Sukhayati. You have the grammar Rupam. I can't discuss all those here. Okay.
Thank you.
Then, yeah. Namaste. Subbarao, sir. You're in mute, sir.
Namaskaram, Mahoday. No, just now you told about this para sveti. How that para, that upasarga has become law. So what is the sutra? Can you kindly tell me sutra number?
Upasargasya ayato. I can share it in the WhatsApp.
Which adhyaya?
Yeah, that is the sutram. Upasargasya ayato.
Which adhyaya, Mahoday? Which adhyaya?
I have to check and say, sir. I just when I was looking for the Rupam.
Okay. Thank you.
You can type Upasargasya ayato in ashtadhyayi.com.
Okay.
You get the full history of it.
Thank you. Thank you, Mahoday. Thank you.
Namaste. Nothing vadantu. Namaste.
Towards the end of today's class, the last one sentence. Vidatsva. The sentence is ending in Vidatsva. Generally, what I observe in this whole literature, the sentences, they are used to sentences ending with Gatavan or Gachatisma, that type of ending. But here we find the ending is in different lakaras. Ending of each sentence.
Oh, okay.
Generally, we are used to Gatavan. The sentence will end like Gatavan. Sentence will end like Gachatisma.
Gatavan. Actually, the sentence Gatavan, if we use Gatavan asmi, Gatavan asti, Gatavan asi, that is a complete sentence. We can't end the sentence.
Yes, sir.
It is. That's why it's a correct sentence.
Yes, it is ending like Gatavan asti or Gatavan asmi, or in present tense or past tense. But here we find many sentences. They are ending with the Kriya Padam word, ending with different lakara. Like for example,
that is Bharata. That is Bharata Sangraham. You are elevating yourself from to the next level.
So Vidatsva, can you explain that? That is Amba Tatra, that sentence. Can you? What is the Kriya Padam?
Vidatsva is, you should say, see, Dha is the Dhatu, Dharana Poshana Yoho. That is a Dhatu. V is the Upasarga. So you take some other route. That what Vidatsva means. Okay.
But how the sentence is ending with Vidatsva?
Why? What is the problem? I don't understand your question.
I don't understand the meaning of. Can you explain the exact meaning of Vidatsva?
Vidatsva is, you take it as Svikuru. Vidatsva.
Svikuru. Okay.
Yeah. You take it some other way.
So which lakara is this following?
Vidatsva is Kartari Lot.
Kartari
Lot
lot.
lakara, madhyama purusha, ekavachanam. It is an
Ah,
Atmanepadi. Yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else? Any other question? Sunita Kumari, madam. Wasn't. You're in mute, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hari Om Mehdi. Pranidhana chaturaiः बहुभिः pranidhiभिः. This is adjective for pranidhiभिः, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Pranidhiभिः means
Pranidhibihi is the representative. Yeah, yeah. Pranidhihi. Pranidhibihi is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Yeah, yeah.
Pranidhana means effort, ma'am, you told.
Effort. Pranidhana chaturaihi. Who can, effort in the sense, who can execute whatever they think about, whatever they decide, who are expert in executing such things. See, pranidhihi also means chara purushaha ityartaha. Chara purushaha ityukte spy ityartaha. Here you can't use pranidhihi, you have to take it as a representative. Mantri. Iti svikartum shakyate. Yeah.
Charanaha means, ma'am?
Chara purushaha is spy.
Spy. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste. Any more questions?
Parichinnu. Can you explain that, ma'am, that parichinnu?
See, chi chayane, nityam parichinu. You stick to some place. You acquaint to some place.
But how the
Nityam,
sentence
always.
is finishing just like that? Parichinnu. After that, there is no.
Parichinu is a verb, no? Parichinu is a verb only, no? So it ends with the verb. What is wrong in that?
Okay, this is what lakara, madam, is parichinnu.
Parichinu is lot lakara.
Lot lakara. Oh, you find many sentences in lot lakara.
See,
Okay,
you might have come across a verb called vichinuta. Vichinuta
Yeah,
is search.
Yeah.
Vichinoti, vichinuta.
Okay.
So like that,
Okay.
ye chin chayane is the dhatu and pari is the upasarga. So meaning is acquaint. Acquaint
thank
yourself
you.
to such a place.
Yeah,
Vragaya vyajena. Vragaya eva vyajaha.
The standard is very high. It's okay. But it is really, you're teaching very well, madam. Thank you very much. You're teaching extremely well. Even some doubts, it may appear silly for you, but for us, for me, it is a big doubt. Thank you very much, ma'am. You are very patiently are explaining.
Thank you. Sita Raman, sir, please.
Namaste, Mother. I just want to add, it is a conversation. So she is instructions he is giving. So that's why it is not prakara and ends in kriya padam at the end.
Could be. But for me, it doesn't look any odd or anything. Purushena, that probably there are a lot of kriya padams and lot of karmini, probably dakshyate, vidatsva, parichinu, so many kriya padam. That is why people are asking. Otherwise, I don't think so. There's anything different or indifferent in this. So.
It's instruction. So that's why as a speech, that's why it is ending in like that. So command or order he is giving.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, shall we end the session? Any more doubts?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Namaste.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.